Hi, my name is Dr. Nikki Green, and I'm here from Fort Worth Cosmetic and Family Dentistry to talk to you about dental implants. So everyone knows that dental implants are available to restore missing teeth, but many people don't understand the different ways that dental implants can be used. So if you're missing a single tooth, we can use a single dental implant to replace that single missing tooth, or we can use a series of 4 to 6 implants to replace all the teeth in maybe an entire upper arch or an entire lower arch. I'm going to talk to you today about how to use what the process is for using the single implant to replace a single missing tooth. So we start first by extracting the tooth, or if the tooth has already been extracted, then we start first by putting the implant root form down into the bone of the tooth. So the root form of the implant goes right where the root of the tooth used to be. That goes through a healing process, and then the second part of the process is that we place a temporary on that tooth. There are times that this step can be eliminated, particularly if it's in the very back of the mouth, but many times we still need to put a temporary on that tooth to shape the tissue. And then the very final thing that we do to get you your permanent tooth is we bring you back in for another appointment to take the impression for the final crown to be created by a dental lab for full form, function, and beauty. So the entire process, depending on where in the mouth that dental implant's going, the forces of your bite, how much shaping of the tissue needs to occur, can take anywhere from as little as 2 months start to finish to upwards of 4 or 5 months start to finish, depending on the necessary steps. So hopefully that explains the process of a single dental implant to replace a single missing tooth. And if you have any questions, of course you can come in for a free consult for dental implants, or you can reach out to us through our website at www.nggreendental.com. Thanks.